guys, so today is going to be a makeup haul. It's going to be a mini makeup haul, but I really got some really nice stuff. It's makeup and beauty stuff because I got like sun cream for the kids, and then I got like this one item which is like natural hair. So it's like a makeup beauty haul, but stick around, it's going to be a makeup giveaway. So the first item I got is this. It's the sleek makeup hypnotic, yeah, that's how you say it. Hypnotic highlighting and lip kit. So basically you get highlighter and you get what's it called, a matte lipstick, and this matte lipstick is called, I think it's called Sassy Chic. No, shabby chic. Sassy Chic. It's called Shabby Chic. Now I tried this actually last night, and like I have to like try and dim it down a bit with like some brown lipstick. And you get 4 highlighters, and one of them is a cream highlight. I just really like it. I like the highlighters, really do like the highlighters. Lipstick, as I was saying, I have to like dim it down with some brown lipstick because it's really, well, to be honest, I did put it on at night time and lighting in this room is not great. But by the way, if I'm sweaty, it is hot here in London and everywhere, not just London. But if you see I'm sweaty, like, oh yeah, comes over the mirror, by the way. Yeah, proper sweaty, this woman. But I really like the packaging, like the gold, it just makes it feel expensive. And I got it from Boots. So I picked up some more lipsticks. I went and got some 17 lipsticks, and they are basically one's called Rioja Your World and Velvet Summer. But yeah, basically these brands, I don't blame them. Since there's so many lipsticks in the world, you have to be very like you have to think very hard of that lipstick name. But I picked up these 17 mega matte lipsticks, and like I like this purple one. I don't know if I should call it purple, but I just love this purple. Absolutely love it. Like seriously, oh my goodness, that's gonna be in a makeup haul. Not makeup haul, this is a makeup haul. I'm gonna be using that makeup to shoot in a get ready with me video pretty soon, so watch out for that. The other mega matte lipstick that I got from 17 is called, is the Rioja Your World, and this one, my son's already dipped his finger in it. See these kids, seriously. But it's just like a dark red lipstick, and I find that dark red lipsticks, you know, are great for me. So I just grabbed it because I was like, you know, dark red lipstick, you know, I can't go wrong. And also you get a free 17 gel nail polish. So yeah, got a free one. I kind of like the color's grown on me, you know. Yeah, it's seriously grown on me, and like it's hot, so it's, you must wear sandals. Well, not must, but just wear sandals. Also, I picked up a 17 Liqueur liner, wet look finish liner, and yeah, loved it. It's currently wearing it now. Just, I love it. But like I filmed a like get ready with me video, and I mentioned this in a video. I even said in that video I'm still gonna include it to my haul. But like, yeah, I just love this liner. I love 17 eyeliners, seriously. I love it, and it's the most thinnest thing, and it's just, yeah. Also in Boots, there's this new makeup brand. I don't know if I think they're launched this year, and it's called CYO. And yeah, I picked up their matte lipstick, and like I got a voucher from Boots, and it was like, you know, here's a 20% off voucher, and I was like, oh okay, let me go and see what this makeup brand is about. And I like it. I only picked up one lipstick, but the reason why I picked up this lipstick, I was on a bus. Where was I coming from? Oh yeah, shopping. I was on a bus, right? Yeah, obviously, well, I'm always coming from shops. But I was on a bus, I was coming back home, right? Yeah, and there's this salon near where I live, and it's got this like model, and she's got like pixie haircut. She's got a pixie haircut, but her lip is like this bright pink lipstick. It looks like a matte lipstick. Oh my goodness, I was like, I need that lipstick. It's gonna suit me. I need that in my life. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. I actually got this today. The other stuff I actually got like last week. Yeah, last week actually. Last week and probably like a couple of weeks. Some stuff I got a couple of weeks ago. I think this is the lipstick. Nearly exactly the lipstick that I saw on that model. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, as I was saying, there's a makeup giveaway, and I decided that I want to give away, I know I keep doing this, but like Real Technique stuff, I keep giving away Real Technique stuff, but I decided I'll give away the Real Techniques limited edition prep and colour lip set, because I already have this. If you watch like my last makeup haul, I already have this. I really love it. You get basically 4 brushes, lip smoothing brush, so basically a brush that basically exfoliates your lips. And but if you get a lot of like white stuff around your lips, I get it all the time. It's disgusting. I get it all the time. As soon as I come out of the house, it's when I'm inside I don't get it, but you get like white stuff like in the corner, white sticky stuff in the corner right here. Yeah, just you just someone who needs to exfoliate on a regular basis. I used the Real Techniques smoothing brush. It helps so much, really good. You get another lip brush. This is to smoothly blend color into your lips. Another one, this is, and you get this fan brush actually, and the fan brush, I feel it's like really good for like if you're looking for like that smudged like lip look, like you don't really want to wear full-on lipstick, but you just want to wear as if like you smudged it, or like I have this lipstick and it's quite harsh if I pull it on full on, so I have to like just wear a little bit of it. The lip fan brush is really good for that lipstick actually. And then you get like a container to store it in for if you're traveling, put it in your bag, and yeah, basically just the perfect kit for someone who loves wearing lipstick, which is most of us are you. So it's gonna be like a massive thank you for you guys getting me to like, currently right now we're over 750 subscribers, but this is my 700 subscribers like giveaway. So, and you have to be subscribed, and you also have to put hashtag win in the comment section, and I will choose a winner before, yeah, I'll announce a winner either next week Friday or Saturday, and yeah, I'll pick a winner and I'll, yeah, send this to you. Next, from WILKO, I picked up this. It's a makeup brush, but it's one of those like basically you go like this and then take the cover off, and then bam, you get like this pink fluffy, it's, oh my goodness, seriously, it's fluffy, it is good. I got this because I was like, when I'm out, I don't like, you know, let me just apply more makeup. Not that I'm trying to make fun of you guys or anything like that, but if you do, go do your thing. Do your thing, okay? I got this, I was like, I'll still use it at home. I like the concept though. Yeah. I really like the concept. Seriously, £3. It's so cute. £3. Also, right, this will look so cute. And I plan on getting, I'm currently looking for a dressing table. And like, seriously, wouldn't that be so pretty sitting in the background like that? It's cute. Next, I went into Superdrug, needed some new shampoo. I was going to get the Cream of Nature, because I use Cream of Nature Intensive Deep Treatment. I think I got that combination, and I said it wrong. I think that's what it's called. Love it. It's in my bathroom right now, but I needed a new shampoo, and like I went into Superdrug, and Superdrug like reduced all like the natural hair products, and I was like, oh my goodness, yay. I saw this one was cheaper than the Cream of Nature one, and I was like, let me try this, because here it is. I've been trying the Palmer's coconut oil formula, the Moisture Grow hair dress. When did I get this? Probably 2 or 3 weeks ago. Love this. Oh my goodness, love this. I think I need to hit the shops again this week, because I want to get the edge control one. I tried this over the weekend. Oh my goodness. My hair was so soft. The hair was so soft. My hair was so soft. And like it felt like it was moisturized. Like a shampoo did that. No sulfate. Probably most of you guys know. But like this has no sulfate, no parabens, no, I don't know what that is. Phthalates. no gluten, no dyes, no mineral oil. Like, this is good. It says conditioning shampoo. It's for dry, damaged or color treated hair. Love this. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Seriously, it's for the first time ever I shampooed my hair and it didn't feel dry. I know this is actually for the kids, but like, yeah, I got them some Sultan Kids Protect and Moisture skincare lotion. I got the small one because, like, you know, it's really handy to have in your bag. That is it for my makeup beauty haul slash kids sun cream haul. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway for the 700 subscriber giveaway. #win in the comment box and I'll choose a winner in a week's time. And also, yeah, just want to say a massive thank you for just getting me to this amount of subscribers. So thank you. Take care of yourselves. If you're not subscribed, subscribe for fashion, beauty, motherhood, lifestyle vlogs. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.